Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the TOPDON AD600S OBD2 scanner, a powerful tool that promises to revolutionize the way you diagnose and understand your vehicle's health. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and how it can benefit both dealers and professional technicians. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. The TOPDON AD600S arrives in a sleek package, and upon opening, you're greeted with the scanner itself. The build quality is impressive, with a sturdy design that feels substantial in your hands. It's clear from the get-go that TOPDON has prioritized both form and function. Now, let's delve into the standout features that make the AD600S a standout in the OBD2 scanner market. Full OBD2 function, the AD600S covers all the basics: reading and clearing trouble codes, viewing live data, and conducting component tests. It's your go-to tool for routine diagnostics, offering a comprehensive view of your vehicle's health. Advanced diagnostics, for those who crave more detailed insights, the AD600S excels. It retrieves manufacturer-specific codes, providing a deeper understanding of your vehicle's systems. This feature is a game-changer for tackling complex issues with precision. Wide vehicle coverage, versatility is key, and the AD600S delivers with its wide vehicle coverage. Whether you drive a domestic car, an import, or a hybrid, this scanner is designed to work seamlessly across a diverse range of makes and models. It's a system that's built into all cars made since 1996. The OBD2 system monitors your car's emissions and performance, and it stores trouble codes when something goes wrong. Read and clear trouble codes from all systems. The AD600S can read and clear trouble codes from the engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and more. View live data. You can see real-time data from your car's sensors, such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, and fuel pressure. This can help you diagnose problems that may not trigger a trouble code. Perform reset functions. The AD600S can perform a variety of reset functions, such as oil light reset, brake pad reset, and steering angle sensor calibration. Support multiple languages. The AD600S supports English, Spanish, French, German, and Italian. Free lifetime updates. TOPDON offers free lifetime updates for the AD600S, so you'll always have the latest diagnostic software. User-friendly interface. Don't let advanced features intimidate you. The user-friendly interface of the AD600S makes it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals. Navigation is intuitive, ensuring you can make the most of its capabilities with ease. Here are some pros and cons about the TOPDON AD600S. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, comprehensive functionality, user-friendly interface, free lifetime updates, durable and portable. Cons: limited bidirectional control. The TOPDON AD600S is not just your average OBD2 scanner. It's a powerful diagnostic tool designed to empower you with comprehensive insights into your vehicle's performance. Its sleek design and intuitive interface make it a standout in the world of automotive diagnostics. To truly assess its capabilities, we put the TOPDON AD600S to the test. From identifying misfires to pinpointing sensor malfunctions, this scanner proved to be a reliable companion for tackling real-world automotive challenges. In conclusion, the TOPDON AD600S OBD2 scanner is a robust and feature-packed tool that caters to both enthusiasts and professionals. With its advanced capabilities, intuitive interface, and wide vehicle coverage, it's a valuable addition to any garage. If you're serious about understanding and optimizing your vehicle's performance, the AD600S is a top contender. Thank you for joining us today for this in-depth review of the TOPDON AD600S OBD2 scanner. Have you used this scanner? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews and automotive content. Until next time, happy scanning!